so today we're going to make the base gravy sauce, which goes in every single curry, from a vindaloo to a korma to a masala. This is your main base sauce that you need. So restaurants put it in absolutely everything. To start with, you need about 6 onions. So cut them up, and doesn't have to be too small because we're going to blend it anyway. About 1/4 of a carrot. And then about 1/4 of a green pepper. Or if it's a small one, you can give a 1/2 green pepper in here. You've got about 1.5 pints of water, and 1 spoon of your garlic ginger paste, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of haldi, and stir. But you want all the vegetables to go very, very soft, and keep stirring it every now and then. Make sure it's not stuck on the bottom. As you can see, I'm hitting the carrot and it's just breaking off. That's when you know it's done. It's soft. It's just, I'm just stabbing the carrots and they're just going to bits. The next step is to blend it. So we're just going to put it all in a blender. So just add 1 Plume Tomato in, which is there. I'm going to add that in. So once that's done, you put your gravy sauce, and then you put it on sort of medium gas. As you can see, it's slightly thick, and you're going to recook it in a curry, so you want it a little bit thin. So I'd say add another little cup of water. You have to add it accordingly, so it's not too thick and it's not too watery. But again, the base gravy will be cooked again, and you'll have another chance to thicken it up there. So 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and then 1/2 spoon of haldi, 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 of jeera, just a tiny bit. It's very strong, jazzy jeera, and 1/2 teaspoon of your delicious dhani, about 1/4 of your garam masala. It's very strong. This will make it very strong if you put too much, so it's better to put less. Mix the spices in. Make sure you put it on low gas. You just need these spices to blend in. So after giving around 5 minutes, the spices should be blended in. Again, if it's looking slightly thick, just add a little bit of water to it. You want it not too thick, not too thin, so something like that, kind of like a soupy kind of thickness.